Good morning, friends. CHEMCO DG Shipping Exit Exam Question and Answer Part 2. So this video is about the DG Shipping Exit Exam Question and Answer CHEMCO Part 2. The Part 1 is already updated. I think there is some audio issue when there is a uploading. Please bear with me that Part 1 video. Sooner or later I will change the video and update it again. So meanwhile, please bear with this sound interrupted video. Okay, question number 21. Find the correct statement with respect to special liquid carried in tankers. Option A. A special liquid are divided into three groups as animal oils, vegetable oils, and miscellaneous liquid. Option B. Special liquids are divided into two groups as animal oils and miscellaneous liquid. Option C. Special liquids are divided into two groups, animal or vegetable oils and miscellaneous liquid. Option D. Special liquids are divided into three groups as chemical liquids, vegetable oils and miscellaneous liquids. The correct answer is option C. Special liquids are divided into two groups, that is animal or vegetable oils in one group and the other group is miscellaneous liquid. Okay. Next question. What annex deals with prevention of pollution by sewage from ships? Options are option A, Annex 6, option B, Annex 4, option C, Annex 3. The correct answer is Annex 4. Next question. What type of pollution control is addressed by Annex 2 of MARPOL? Options are option A, pollution by oil, option B, pollution by noxious liquid substance, option C, pollution by garbage. The correct answer is option B, pollution by noxious liquid substance, that comes under Annex 2. Next question. What was the last date by which use of hydrochlorofluorocarbons were prohibited? Option A, 2015, option B, 2010, option C, 1st January 2020. This hydrochlorofluorocarbon mainly we use in the refrigeration systems. The filling up of refrigerant liquid or vapor or gas into the vapor system or aircon system. So we are using this as a refrigerant. So this is prohibited from 1st January of 2020. Okay. The equipment which are going to be newly installed on the new ships are the ships which are going to change the refrigeration systems. They should not use the equipment which can operate only in hydrochlorofluorocarbons. Okay, this is for your kind reference. Next question. What did Annex 6 of MARPOL enter into force? Option A, 1 July 1992, option B, 19 May 2006, option C, 31st December 1988. The correct answer is option B, 19 May 2006. Next question. Question number 26. What is the open cup flat point of petroleum liquids that are classified as combustible liquids? Options are option A, above 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 26.7 degrees Celsius. Option B, above 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 15.6 degrees Celsius. Option C, below 80.80 degrees Celsius Fahrenheit or 26.7 degrees Celsius. Option D, below 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 15.6 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is option A, above 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 26.7 degrees Celsius. Next question. Dash is the lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire. Options are option A, critical temperature, option B, ignition temperature, option C, ecliptic temperature. The correct answer is ignition temperature. Okay. Next question. What is an inert condition? Option A, when the oxygen has been eliminated from a tank. Option B, when the oxygen is 10% by volume in a tank. Option C, the condition in which the oxygen content throughout the atmosphere of a tank has been reduced to 8% or less by volume of the addition of inert gas. Option C, when oxygen is 21% by volume in a tank. The correct answer is option C, the condition in which the oxygen content throughout the atmosphere of a tank has been reduced to 8% or less by volume by the addition of inert gas. Why they mention 8%? Above the 8%, the vapor content in the tank will reach to the flammable limit. There is a flammability chart with reference to a hydrocarbon gas or vapor with respect to the oxygen content. It is starts from 0 to 21% in atmosphere. The maximum oxygen content is 21%. Okay, so from 8% to 21% with presence of cargo vapor, it will comes under the flammability limit. Below this is called as lower flammability limit. Above this is called as upper flammability limit. When it is in between the flammability limit, then there is a chances of catching fire. So we have to maintain the oxygen content less than 8%. Normally it starts from 11% to 21% catches fire. On the safe side, we keep it less than 8%. Okay. Question number 29. What factors mainly affects vapor cloud dilution rate? Option A, quantity of spill. Option B, weather condition. Option C, thermal inversion. Option D, diameter of vapor cloud. The correct answer is weather condition. This is nothing but when vapor is contact with water, vapor is contact with your water, it lead to form a vapor cloud. So this rate of vapor cloud formation mainly depend on the weather condition. The wind force is more and rough weather condition, the mixing of vapor and water will become more. Okay, so this is mainly depend on the weather condition. This will form a white cloud. It's like a fog condition. It makes rapidly this vapor is contact with weather. Okay, next question. The substance involved in combustion is called A, combustible. Option B, non-combustible. Option C, inflammable substance. The correct answer is option A, combustible. What is cold work? Option A, carrying out work in cold atmosphere. Option B, work that cannot create a source of ignition. Option C, carrying out work on reefer container. Option D, work that can be done only in cold temperature. The correct answer is option B, work that cannot create a source of ignition. In this, cold work is nothing but where we cannot carry out the hot work such as welding, gas welding or arc welding, where we repair the equipment or the structure or the pipeline something with the cold work such as putting putty or using metal bond by mixing of the metal paste or any other work which should not use of heat energy. This work is called as cold work. Okay. Next question. What type of anodes must not be fitted in tanks where flammable gases can be present? Option A, magnesium anode. Option B, aluminum anode. Option C, zinc anode. The correct answer is option A, magnesium anodes. Question number 33. What is meant by intrinsically safe? Option A, equipment can be used in hazardous atmosphere. Option B, an electrical circuit is intrinsically safe if any spark produced normally or accidentally is incapable of igniting a gas mixture. Option C, there is no danger if sparks are produced in an unsafe atmosphere. Option D, the equipment can be used in hazardous atmosphere. The correct answer is option B. An electrical circuit is intrinsically safe if any spark produced normally or accidentally is incapable of lighting a gas mixture. Okay, this is that there can be a presence of vapor. There is a presence of vapor, which is the hydrocarbon content is already in the flame limit. So any heat energy released by this internally safe equipment should not have that much hot to create a fire, to complete the fire triangle. Okay, so answer is option B. Okay, next question. What is a hot work permit? Option A, document used for carrying out repairs under supervision. Option B, a document issued by a responsible person permitting specific hot work to be done during a particular time interval in a defined space. Option C, a document used for work in dry dock. Option D, document valid for 7 days for carrying out tank cleaning. The correct answer is option B. So hot work permit is we prepared, we take photos, we mention where is the source of heat, what are the precaution machinery measures we take and how we clean the tank, everything we explain, and also we fill up the permit and send to the company, and the company will check and they will approve the permit. Okay, then only we can carry out the work. So the option B is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. What is bonding? Option A, connecting together of cargo pipeline flanges. Option B, the connecting together of metal parts to ensure electrical continuity. Option C, making a ship to shore cable connection. Option D, connecting together flexible couplings on deck. Correct answer is option B, the connecting together of metal parts to ensure electrical continuity. This is mainly to prevent static electricity. If you mainly see the cargo pipelines and the bunker pipelines, you will see there is a cable which is connecting the end to end of the flange. One end of the pipe, one end flange to the other end flange is where the bolts are fixed. That between they are connecting the wire, which is make sure that current is flowing. Right? Make sure that current in sense the charges which is produced by the cargo operation by the liquid, it will be dissipated through the pipe and to the gas system in order to prevent the static electric formation. So this answer is option B. Next, question number 36. How threshold limit values are specified? Option A, ppm, parts per million. Option B, specific number. Option C, volume of gas in air. Option D, ppm divided by volume gas in air. So threshold limit value is calculated by the amount of toxic gases present in the space is taken in parts per million ppm and with comparison of volume of gas in the air. Okay, so the correct answer is option D. Next question. What is 4 point? Option A, the temperature at which oil gets frozen. Option B, the lowest temperature at which the petroleum oil will remain fluid. Option C, the temperature at which oil cannot be discharged. Option D, the temperature at which oil needs to be heated. The correct answer is the lowest temperature at which a petroleum oil will remain in fluid. Option B. That is 4 point is nothing but the oil is able to pour. The temperature required to keep the oil in pouring condition. Okay, to keep the oil in flow. Okay. Next question, question 38. A liquid is considered to be flammable when the flash point is less than option A 50 degree Fahrenheit, option B 60 degree Fahrenheit, option C 70 degree Fahrenheit, option D 80 degree Fahrenheit. The correct answer is option D 80 degree Fahrenheit. Question number 39. I think I already said this upper flammability limit, lower flammability limit. Okay, so I given general idea previously. So this question is, what is upper flammable limit? Option A, the limit for man entry for personnel into tanks. Option B, the concentration of a hydrocarbon gas in air above which there is insufficient oxygen to support combustion. Option C, the limit where there is insufficient inert gas to support combustion. Option D, the limit where there is too much inert gas to support combustion. The correct answer is option B, the concentration of hydrocarbon gas in air above which there is insufficient oxygen to support combustion. Okay, that is hydrocarbon content is high and oxygen content in the place is very less, insufficient. That is called upper flammability limit. Okay. Question number 40. What is lower flammability limit? Option A, the concentration of a hydrocarbon gas in air below which there is insufficient hydrocarbon to support combustion. Option B, the limit where there is insufficient oxygen to support combustion. Option C, the limit where there is too much oxygen to support combustion. The correct answer is option A, the concentration of hydrocarbon gas in air below which there is insufficient hydrocarbon to support combustion. So that is hydrocarbon content is very less to catch the fire in a place in the atmosphere. Okay. Okay friends, thank you. And this is the question, second set of questions related to CHEMCO. If you like the channel, please like, and if you want to see more videos and you have to be well informed of upcoming videos with the latest questions, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.